Hello YouTube, this is a video on my Maxpedition Monkey Combat Admin pouch. It's a very nice bag, I think. I did some modifications on it, like I have put some patches because the whole front is looped velcro. I have attached 2 grimlocks and I have about 15 to 20 paracord underneath. On the back I have made a paracord handle. I also attach a carabiner, another web dominator and some malice clips just in case if you need. And I should go through the bag and you gonna see what I got. So in the main pouch I have a bandana, a buff in woodland camo, and I don't have anything more. In the main pouch I have my Write and Rain notebook. I have different set of pens, and I have a small survival package with some magnifying glass, matches, fishing hooks and some other goods. In the high security pouch, like Monkey calls it, I have my silver compass. You can put anything of value in there. In the other pouch I have a small knife. I have my Gerber multi-tool. Suspension, I think the model called. I have a mini survival guide, a Swedish one, and I have some bandage. And in the small outer pocket I have some fire starters. Just lit the plastic and it burns very well. So that's the main compartment. In the flag area I only have pictures of some camouflage, and I have also a different patch that I use sometimes. Addition to this, when I'm out in the forest I have my neck knife with some pacing beads. You've probably seen this in my Woodsman EDC. It's a Frostmora Swedish knife, cheap, sharp, good to have, with some paracord necklace and some pacing beads. And I also have my mini carabiner with all the stuff that I shown in my Woodsman EDC. Like Dave Canterbury says, 2 is 1, 1 is none. Like you see, I have a lot of everything. I got, for example, 3 knives, a lot of paracord, 2 compass, and so on. So I'm gonna put all this stuff into the bag, and I'm gonna attach my paracord strap that I made with wood dominators, paracord, and on this strap I have 2 grimlocks and another set of pacing beads. So stay tuned and I should be back in just 1 second. So YouTube, here is the finished product. All my goods are inside. I have my patches that I showed earlier. On the back side I have my paracord handle. I have a carabiner, malice clips, a web dominator, On the side I have Grimlax paracord, about 15-20 feet paracord. I have a strap that I made of paracord and some web dominators, and that's all I have for now. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.